You know what? You look like Mega Man. Any stickers in there? A whole bag of stickers. What the? And an emblem. What the hell? Super clean. There you go. Soft.
Yep.
I took one there.
Sure, there's a tool for this.
Pry tool. You had a flathead. I don't think you knew that you were supposed to twist it. You know, the whole time I wasn't recording. I took a picture. So you're gonna hang it first and then connect the flange, right? So this is the bolt you're supposed to use, not the stock bolt. So make sure you have a hex that fits this. That's the metal. That's to gap it from touching the exhaust, just in case, so you don't melt the plastic. So we got the 3 drive bolts on, we got the 2 spacers on. Yep. And we got the front hanger on. You got torquing it, right? So that's what that was for, the springs. Oh, like nothing, it goes on. I'm gonna put that back on. 20 volts.